Hey guys, in this session let us write a basic shell script to check the server status. There are some commands that can be used to check the load on the server, and we can check the current memory usage. To check the disk space, we can use df-h, right? So these commands can be combined together into a shell script so that every time when we log into the server, we can execute that shell script and check the status. Okay. Let me create a shell script called server stat. So before that, so we can check the current user using who am I. Okay. Also the host name using the hostname command, right? So we can also add date like this. So what we can do is we can say echo who am I inside this quotes so I can just write some text like this. So I can enclose this message inside some symbols so that it can be easy, and it will be good to watch, right? Now let me execute this script. I give permission. So now you can see the welcome message, right? And you can see the host name as well. You have logged into this particular host name. And I will also include the date. So date should be enclosed inside the quotes. Now followed by the server stats. First let me give uptime. then followed by the memory usage, and followed by disk usage. Now let me execute the script. Now you can see all the server statistics when you execute this single shell script, right? You don't need to manually type each and every commands. So whenever you log into the server, you can just execute this script so that it gives you the current load, then memory usage, then disk usage, right? You can also add additional commands that you like. So if you want to check some other statistics in the server, like the number of processes in the server and the swap utilization, right, and IO consumption. So there are a lot of statistics that can be added in this script. So this is just a basic script which can help you to combine all the commands into a single shell script, and you can also use these symbols to separate each and every sections of the resource. Okay, so for satisfying this you can use echo. Okay.